Get a little smoky with the Old Smoky YouTube channel. What's up, guys? It's official. We have bought a unicorn. Get a little smoky with the Old Smoky YouTube channel. So, that was fun. It's out. Now we want to make sure that the belt the parts store gave us is the right belt. Because the heck if we're going to put this thing in there and then find out that it's not. So it is. And so we'll go ahead and proceed with installing a new one. So you can tell in this old one, all the cracks are the belts cracking and the wear on the front side right here. So definitely needed replacing. No telling how long that would have lasted me. Definitely don't want to be on the roadside because of a $50 part. So that's going on trash. Well, let's put the new one in. Alright, it is installed. We just got through doing the Serpentine belt install. Oh man, it was fun. It took me about 45 minutes to get it fully installed. I'll be honest, when I started I thought it was going to take me about 15-20 minutes because my 01 that changed out, my previous 06 that changed out. They both went a lot smoother. So a couple roadblocks we ran into, somebody had a broken 1/2-inch drive in the actual idle tensioner pulley. Got that taken care of with a pick tool. Luckily it came out pretty easy. And then the other issue we had is just, I got big arms. And there's not much space in here when it comes to taking that belt on and off. If I had normal size arms, it probably would have got done a lot quicker. But I got myself all scratched up trying to get my arms in and out. There's just no fun or easy way to get around it. But the new belt's on there. It works good. It's not worn out like our old belt. Our old belt had cracks, all kinds of stuff in it. So we replaced it just in time, I think. That way we're not going to have any issues. But hopefully you enjoyed. Let me give you a look real quick at the belt. Kind of hard to see in there, but it is installed in there. So, alright, you guys are going to be like, what in the hell is he doing? So, this is our old belt, and we are quite literally going to oil it. Why? If I ever need a spare belt, I'm going to have one. Alright, now I'm going to suck it down on there. There we go, guys. Spare belt.